So the first thing I would like to share is that the sorcerer's journey has not changed me at all. It has deepened my connection with myself. I have become quite clear on my purpose, more aligned. I know what to say no to. I get to say yes to what is aligned to my purpose, and that really, gives me a lot of peace, a sense of inspiration from within to do the task that I am meant to do, and to cut out all those things which are, not aligned or any way connected to my purpose. So that is number one. The second piece is the kind of awareness it has generated for me, uh, in terms of my how I show up, my own judgments about not only myself but also about every person that I meet. So I have become more vigilant and aware of what are the things that still need to be, uh, worked up upon. So that is very encouraging for me, because that gives me a path, that these are the things, these are the areas where I still need to do some work on myself. So it is very inspiring for me. This journey overall has been and is still continuing to do so. That I distinctly remember is when on the second day, one of the ladies, she wanted to withdraw from the program, and she felt that it was not right for her to continue, since it was not aligned to what she was looking for. So that was another moment for me. I could again, have uh, tried to give her justifications and tried to ensure that she continues, but it was, I just connected with her, I heard her, and I shared with her what she could expect further, and I left it on her to make the decision, and she also came back. So these were very magical moments for me. Of course, during the program we had a lot of resonance, we had a lot of connections, and also there were moments when we felt that few of the participants, they were not aligned to what we were, giving them. So we had to connect separately with them and, bridge out all the communication gaps or what was being misunderstood. So that was a beautiful experience overall. Looking at, becoming a sorcerer, the first thing that I looked for was, what does a sorcerer mean? And it was really fascinating to find it on Google, because I had heard this word a couple of times but was not sure of what it meant. So I just looked up, and some of the words that came out are magician, somebody who could alchemize things, an alchemist. And it was really fascinating, it really connected. And I had a call with, one of the co-founders, which deeply resonated with me, how she explained about the program and what was it supposed to bring out in me. And I really deeply connected and resonated with what she said. So apart from that, I had no idea about, uh, from where this program came out, and what was it going to do. But that connection, that resonance that I had during the call was what, made me join the program. I felt that it was for me. I felt that, there was something in it that, I it would be deeply treasured. So that's how I came about joining the program.